video is going to be a relaxing night routine. How I typically like to start my relaxing nights off is by making a really healthy dinner. Tonight I'm just making a stir fry, so I'm just grabbing all of my veggies. I have some broccoli, chard, peppers, and mushrooms. So now I'm just grabbing a cutting board and really just going to prep and put all of the mushrooms inside this little bowl here. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut up all of the vegetables. So now I'm turning on the oven to medium heat for the stir fry, taking some olive oil now, and I'm just going to lightly drizzle it on the pan, moving the pan around so that a thin layer of oil will get all over. Now I'm taking my garbanzo beans. You can kind of drain the water out of it. Try to drain it as best as possible, but a little water won't hurt. I like to roast the garbanzo beans first, and then I'll go ahead and add all of the veggies. I kind of stir them around first, and then I go in with some chard. I don't like a lot of chard, so I'll just pick it apart a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 stalks, and then just add it in. Now I'm just stirring it around, and now you have a very healthy dinner. So now that I've already made my food, I'm just taking my dinner into the living room area and turning on Netflix while I eat. I like to do this because it allows me to spend some time in the living room and not actually in my bedroom. So I don't know if I'm the only one who likes to relax in the living room instead of the bedroom, because to me, the bedroom is kind of a place for sleep. So I'm just eating my meal, watching you. I'm actually restarting it from the very beginning because I'm so obsessed with it. I've already watched both season 1 and season 2, and I had no idea that love was going to be a killer, but everyone else seemed to guess it, I guess, except for me. I also love to bring out my laptop and check any last-minute emails before bed, do any last-minute work, plan out my day, make a to-do list, just very mindless and relaxing things that I can kind of get done on my laptop. Once I'm done eating dinner, I love to take a nice, hot, relaxing bath. Taking a bath on any night in is so great. It helps you de-stress, and the warm water actually helps you release melatonin, so it really gets you in a nice...
It's always you. 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 I keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Once I get out of the shower, I go in with a leave-in conditioner spray. I just work this through my hair. This one's just from Pantene. It really could be any leave-in conditioner, I would say. And then I go in with the wet brush and just work the product through my hair. Now I'm just going to use my Don't Look At Me Lush face mask. This one's really good for brightening your skin. I was such a fan of the coffee one, but I thought I would try something new. So I'm just applying this all over my face. I feel like having a face mask is just an essential to a relaxing night in. Really comfy Valentine's Day pajamas from Nordstrom Rack. I'm literally obsessed with anything Valentine's Day, and as you can see, it will be a theme as I get my tea. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just grabbing this cup of calm organic tea. It has lavender in it, so it's really good to relax you, make you sleepy, and really just get you ready for bed. Now I'm just grabbing my favorite Valentine's Day mug. This one's so cute. It's red and it has little white hearts on it. I actually got this from Marshall's. It was only like $3. Just gonna do the usual thing, heat up my water and make some tea.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
So once I make my tea, I head back into my room and I set my alarm. I usually set one for 5:05 and then 5:15, and I plug my phone in basically on the opposite end of the room so that I physically have to get up in the morning to turn off my alarm. Once I'm up, it allows me to stay up. And then, of course, I'm one of those people that has to sleep with the fan on. So now I just shut my blinds and I get my room nice and cozy. At this point, my lamp is on and I get a little Tukey, and we love our cuddles together. It's like my favorite point of the entire night is drinking my tea, cuddling my little kitten, and yeah, that's pretty much what I do for the rest of the night. I have been incorporating reading before bed, so I also do that. So at this point, my night is pretty much complete. I drink my tea, read my book, and snuggle with little Tukes if he's up to snuggle.
The feeling's going so. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
So once I'm done reading, or during the time that I'm reading or watching a YouTube video, I go ahead and take my melatonin. It's good to take this about an hour before you ideally want to go to sleep. So I didn't really show it, but I went ahead and took my melatonin, put my retainer in, and then turned off my lamp and was ready to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed my relaxing evening routine and that you guys found some sort of inspiration from this. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.